Alright, let's talk about something every serious investor should know, which is how to track what super investors and hedge funds are buying and selling for free. There are plenty of paid platforms that charge a lot of money just to show you this data. But today I'm going to show you how to access it for free using a website called dataroma.com. And just to be clear, this is not a promotional video. I don't get anything from Dataroma and I don't expect anything in the future. I'm sharing this because I personally use it before making any stock purchases. It's an incredible tool, and if you're not using it, you're missing it out. So now let's dive in. What exactly is Dataroma? It's a website that compiles SEC filings from top hedge funds and super investors. In the US, large investment funds are legally required to disclose their holdings every quarter through something called a 13F filing. That means we as the retail investors get to see exactly what they are buying, selling and holding, but with a small delay. So why do you think is this important? Think about it. Hedge funds have massive research teams, access to data we don't, and the best analysts in the world. Following their moves can give us insights into which stocks are gaining attention from smart money. And while they do report their trades with a lag, if a stock shows up in multiple hedge fund portfolios, it usually signals something worth looking into. So let me walk you through how to use Dataroma step by step. Go to dataroma.com. It's a simple free website, no login required. On the homepage, you'll see a list of super investors. These are hedge fund managers like Warren Buffett, Bill Ackman and Monish Pabrai. Click on any investor name and it will show you their latest 13F filing. You'll see a list of all their holdings, stocks they have been adding to or selling in the last quarter. You can also search for a specific stock to see which super investors are holding it. Let's say you're interested in Microsoft. You can just type its ticker symbol MSFT in the search bar and it will show you which hedge funds own it, how much they own, and whether they have been buying more or reducing their positions. This is an easy way to see if big money is bullish or bearish on a stock before you invest. Now, what makes Dataroma even more powerful is the huge amount of data it provides beyond just hedge fund holdings. You can also see super investors' stats based on portfolios. For example, top 10 most owned stocks, the most popular stocks across all hedge funds, top 10 stocks by percentage of portfolio, which stocks super investors have the highest conviction in, top big bets, stocks where hedge funds have placed their largest positions, top 10 buys last quarter, stocks that were most actively purchased in the last quarter, top 10 buys last quarter by percentage, which stocks had the biggest relative increases in hedge fund portfolios, top 10 buys last 2 quarters, a longer term trend of where hedge funds are building positions, top 10 buys last 2 quarters by percentage, which stocks saw the biggest allocation increase, 5% or greater holdings near 52-week lows, super investors who hold at least 5% of a company and the stock is now trading near its 52-week low, and I treat these as potential bargain buys. And finally, we have super investor stocks with most insider buys in the last 3 months. Stocks where both hedge funds and company insiders are buying, which is a strong bullish signal. This data is incredibly valuable. It lets us see trends, identify conviction plays and avoid bad investments. By using this, we can follow hedge funds, understand their strategies and protect our hard-earned money. Now you might be thinking, there are hundreds of hedge funds on this list. How do I know which ones to follow? Here's what I do. I focus on the top performing hedge funds over the last 2 years. The easiest way to find this is with a quick Google search. You can just search for top 5 hedge funds of 2024 or best performing hedge funds in the last 2 years and you'll see rankings of hedge funds that have consistently beaten the market. These are the ones you want to pay attention to. Personally, I like to follow funds like Berkshire Hathaway, which is led by Warren Buffett, one of the most legendary investors of all time, Fidelity or FMR LLC, a massive institution with great stock picks, Pershing Square, led by Bill Ackman, is known for his bold and high conviction trades, Tiger Global, which focuses on high growth stocks and tech stocks, and finally Viking Global, a well diversified hedge fund with strong returns. By tracking what they are buying, I can identify trends and get new stock ideas before the market catches on. To wrap this up, tracking super investors' holdings is a great way to get stock ideas and see what smart money is doing. And the best part is it's 100% free on Dataroma. Here's what you can do right now. Go to dataroma.com and check the top hedge funds, search for stocks you are interested in and see who's buying. Identify trends and new investment ideas from smart money. This is a strategy I use on a daily basis in my $200,000 portfolio. If you want to see how I manage my portfolio and follow these strategies in real time, make sure to subscribe. Drop a comment below and let me know which hedge funds you follow and if you have used Dataroma before. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.